Okay, I had 34 videos slated to be programmed, written, edited, and I put them all aside to bring you this information. All right, so I'm extremely excited whenever conservatives come up with new things. They come out with new products, new services, things that are useful and relatable. And, you know, like Mike Lindell from iCode, the first time I see somebody have a conservative idea, I want to check it out, support it as best I can, because we're a family-owned conservative company. In fact, one of the things I wanted to do videos on was, this is my We the People holster for my SIG P365. Haven't done that yet. Matter of fact, I'm wearing my We the People shirt. But I got this video yesterday, and it came from Candace Owens, and it was about this company called Freedom Phone. So now look, this is not a negative video. This was literally yesterday that I saw this. And I've already reached out to Freedom Phone. I've reached out to Candace Owens. You know, sometimes you have an amazing success right off the bat, especially when you have somebody legitimate like Candace Owens who's promoting your product. But let me put my glasses on so I can see. I want to show you just a real quick blip. It's a 15-minute video that she did on the phone. I'm only going to show a few seconds. And then I want to tell you my experience trying to order the phone. And I'm going to tell you something that we do a little different as a company. Maybe we can get connected with Freedom Phone. Maybe we can get connected with Candace Owens. Just so you know, I would love to. Here, real quick.
That you can actually get a smartphone. Look at this. That comes pre-downloaded. It's called the Freedom Phone, okay? And you can literally get this right now. I did it. I've switched away from Apple. Everyone in my family has ordered these phones. We're now getting them. It's called a Freedom Phone, and it comes pre-downloaded. Look at this. If you can see this up close, with Parler as opposed to Twitter. It comes with Rumble as opposed to YouTube. It has OANN. It has Newsmax. I downloaded the Instagram app because I wanted to show you that, like, you can literally get anything from this store. The store is called, I love this so much, by the way, it's called the Patriot Store. Hold on, let me get back to this. The Patriot Store, and you can download any app that you want to download from this store. And
okay, I'm going to stop there. So this is awesome, I think. We have a lot of companies, and they're not the only one. There are several companies that have come out with big tech phones, or phones to compete with big tech. As a matter of fact, we're a customer of Charity Mobile. Charity Mobile, a portion of the proceeds goes to fight against abortion. There's another company out of Texas. We're actually in discussions with them about some other things right now. They're called Patriot Mobile. Patriot Mobile allows you to take a portion of the proceeds and give it back to a conservative cause that you're interested in. But it's very interesting what she talks about in the video is this phone was created to fight big tech, to fight Apple, to fight Google, to make sure that those intrusive things are not a part of your phone. Now, I'm not here endorsing the phone in any way because I haven't seen it, I haven't gotten it, I've tried to buy it. I tried to buy it yesterday. I'm going to show you, as a matter of fact, I'm going to go through the experience again, try to see if I can purchase a phone today. But we are also a company that fights big tech. We are a security company. We've been a family-owned security company, gosh, for almost 20 years. My wife would correct me. She would say it's 18 and a half years. It's not 20 years. She's right. I round up. It's about 20 years. We do not like the big tech companies that are so intrusive. We do not support Ring. We do not support Amazon. We do not support the big tech companies that have had breaches, that had people come in, hack into phones, hack into cameras, hack into systems, and get into your house. So when I saw this, I thought, man, this is awesome. I would really like to support this company. But I'm going to show you something that happened to me yesterday. And I think, honestly, I think Freedom Phone needs to know this. Let me go to, so I'm on their website now. I'll try to zoom in a little bit so you can see this. So I'm going to go to buy it now. And there's the phone. I'm going to add it to cart, and there's a phone in my cart, and then she has a discount code. So let's go to checkout. When I go to checkout, I'm going to put in the discount code Candace, CNDACE, which it applies perfectly. It works well, and good. So it gave me my $50 discount. Here's the problem. And the problem is, The problem is the only way I see to check out is Amazon Pay. Okay, so I'll go down below that. I'm going to put in my name. So it'll probably pre-put in all this. I'll have to blur some out so no crazy people come by and want to, maraud my house. Return to cart. Is that correct? Now we're going to go return to cart. Can I check out? There it is. Lost my discount. I wonder what happened there. Try again. Check out. Email. For some reason everything popped out. Let's try again. I'm going to get there. I promise I'm going to get there. Here we go. Save this information for next time, which is fine. And we're going to go, I don't really want to go there. I just want to check out. Express checkout, Amazon Pay, or contact information. Okay. Now let's go to checkout. He gave me the money off. Okay. Continue to payment. This is where I had problems yesterday. All right. So my only options were Amazon Pay, right here. I do not buy anything from Amazon. If you do, let's have a discussion later. I'll do a whole separate video on that. I don't support big tech. I don't support anybody that's inadvertently or purposely killing small business. So let's go to complete the order. Takes me to Amazon Pay. The other wants me to sign up for a payment method through this buy it now, through same as shipping address, complete order. Now it's going to redirect me off the site, and I can't just put in my credit card number. I can't just do it. I can't put it in. 4 interest-free payments. I don't want to do that. I don't want to pay 4 payments. I don't want to pay it in anything except just pay for it. Now, if you go to change payment method down here, I can't change the payment method. I can't put in a credit card. If you go down the bottom, so I quit. So I quit yesterday. First of all, I really hope that we see more of these conservative type things in the marketplace. I've got to tell you, we fought a nasty fight against some big companies. They do not like us. They don't like the fact that we're an FFL holder, we're a firearms manufacturer. We teach everything related to self-defense and personal defense. Security is not just a security system. Security is a very high level of training, so you are ready if something happens inside your home. But it is a question for me when I come to a tech company that's fighting an anti-culture or fighting Google or fighting iPhone, and the only way I've got to pay is with an Amazon Pay or 4 interest-free payments. So let me say this. I would love to hear from the company. Hopefully they'll email me back. It's been about 24 hours since I originally tried. I'm sure they're overwhelmed because Candace Owens is a great spokesperson. She has 5 million followers. They're probably overwhelmed right now with all the questions, but suggestion from somebody that's been in tech and fighting big tech for years, don't use Amazon. Just give us a way to put in a credit card and pay. If it's some other way to do it, I'm not seeing it. So maybe there's some more information Freedom Phone can give us. This is my first look. Can't get a phone. Not going to give money to Amazon. Hey, please like and subscribe because we have got 34 slated videos, all related somehow to security and technology that are coming out. Well, not everything's technology. Like you wouldn't consider, I don't know, man, a carbon fiber holster. It's pretty cool technology. Hey, please like and subscribe. SecurityAllStar.com. We'd love to have you watching our videos. Thanks.